Hey all, Fitzman here. Today we're going to be opening up a few packs, 3 of Darkness Ablaze and 2 of Vivid Voltage. And also, whatever this thing is. It's a trade and play fun stuff inside. I got it when I bought some Shining Fates from a retailer, and I'm not really sure what it's about. So yeah, we're also going to be opening up that at the very last. The 3 Darkness Ablaze was from an EV blister that I already opened, I just didn't open the packs yet. And these 2 Vivid Voltage was from a tournament I participated in. So I got those sent for, well, participating from one of the sponsors. Right, let's get into actually opening one of the packs. I figured I might as well record it. Why can I not? Oh goodness. The struggling is real. Alright, we finally got the pack open. And let's get rid of the code card and do the card trick. Alright. We got a Psychic Energy. I haven't actually opened a lot of the Vivid Voltage and Darkness Ablaze, so this will be exciting. A Simipour. I don't know what to feel about that monkey. A Lunatone. I have been hunting a shiny Lunatone in Pokemon Go for like forever. And now it moved away and over to the States. A Dartrix. An Electrike. I like that artwork, like nice action shot. Pretty cool. A Fletchling. Speaking of Pokemon Go, there's Fletchling Community Day when I'm recording this. A Galarian Mr. Mime. A Torchic. One of the cuter starters. An Aron. I haven't really noticed that artwork before. That is actually a very cute Aron. I normally don't. I'm kind of neutral on this Pokemon, but I do like this artwork. Reverse Holo Electrike. Same with the cool artwork. The reverse just makes this a better card, to be honest. And a Mimikyu rare. Pretty cool. I like Mimikyu. I mean, it's not a big hit, but Mimikyu is a pretty cool card. Right? Oh, maybe I should also remember to actually have the packs on the camera. And actually open these properly. Right? Oh, that was a white code. Exciting. We might have something interesting this time. Right? Steel Energy. I don't know what I'm hoping from this pack. Crobat V would be nice because it's a very playable card. And the Eternatus Full Arts or Rainbow. I think that's an Eternatus Rainbow, and this would also be nice. Swilus? I'm gonna say Swilus. I don't know if that's correct. Pupitar. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. Aw, it's a cute Vulu being pet in the foreground. That's nice. Clink. A Marini. Interesting artwork on this one. That's a funny looking Corsola in the background. Torchic again. A Starly. Oh, no. Starly fell down. Right, we got a Skarmory. reverse powerful energy, and a hollow Glyzopod. When I first saw this in I think it was the Sun and Moon where I first saw this Pokemon, I thought it was a pretty cool Pokemon. I still do. My favorite Pokemon, as you probably guessed, is Eevee. But Glyzopod was pretty cool. Alright, last pack of the Darkness Ablaze. Oh, that was another white coat card. That's pretty cool. Just get rid of the empty boosters. Right, we're starting off with a Water Energy, a Laron, a Simipour, a Spikemuth. I think that's how you say that, I'm not entirely sure. Bunnelby, Vanillite, looking a bit surprised about something. It's a nice artwork though. I don't like Vanillite too much, but like the trees with the snow and the shining star in the background, that is very, very nice. A Gothita? I think that's how you say that. Also not sure. A Nickit? A lot of Nickits actually. A Shelmet. Reverse Hollow is a Snubble. And we have a Grimmsnarl V. That is pretty cool. Right? Oh, I don't actually have any sleeves if we pull anything super nice. Maybe I should actually do the rares in their own like little pile. What was the first rare? That was the Mimikyu. There we go. I'll sleeve them up afterwards. Alright, we got 2 of the Vivid Voltage. This will actually be my first opening of Vivid Voltage because I kind of dropped the ball on this set when it first came out, so I didn't order anything before everything was sold out. There we go. 2, 3, 4. And let's see what we have. We have a Lightning Energy, a Keralis, a Stone Energy. That's nice. I'm thinking of making a fighting deck for when Battle Styles comes out. So this might be useful. Electric, Riolu, and an Eevee. Aww, I love that. Look at it. That is amazingly cute. I'm just gonna put that to the side because I like Eevee. Seedot, Electrike, Clefairy, Reverse Genesect. Is that actually a rare? It is a rare reverse. Alright. Guess you go over here. And a Beedrill. Not a fan of Beedrill. I mean, that might just be because I'm not a fan of wasps in general, and having like a giant, humongous wasp is no, thank you. Just gonna say that. All right, last pack of Vivid Voltage, and actually just the last pack. If you're wondering why I'm not just ripping it open, I'm trying to preserve the pack because I don't have any of these like packs, and I would like just some of the pack arts, at least one of each different kind to see, or to save rather, because I think sometimes they are also nice. Right, we have a Fighting Energy, a Go-Goat, it's an amusing name. Not bad attacks though. Ferrothorn, Dusclops, Electric, Execute. That was always a weird Pokemon for me. Especially with the one cracked egg. Ooh, another Eevee! You're going over to the other Eevee, keep that one company. And, unamplified sound wave. That sounds like a very complicated attack. It has a complicated name at least. Arracuda. And a Surgist Bath reverse. And we have an Ampharos V to end it off with. Not too bad. I mean, we got the Ampharos V, the Beedrill, Reverse Genesect, Mimikyu, Hollow Golisopod, and a Grimmsnarl V. So we got 2 V cards. That's not too bad. Out of 5 packs. Of course we have the 2 EVs. Alright, so now we get into whatever this is. Let me just actually get it open. Right. I think that's everything. We have a Lycanroc coin. And we have a Rebel Clash Fun Pack with 3 cards. And then we have, what is this? Trading card breakdown, so just explaining how to actually read the card for game purposes in a small guide. And the last one is an activity sheet where you have to guess the Pokemon. Squavani, Grookey, and Sobble. Well, that doesn't. Right, nothing too fancy, but let's see what's in this 3-pack. I mean, this was just like an extra the retailer threw in, so not expecting too much, but what is this? Need help playing a game. Let me just actually see what this is about. Just ads, I guess? Looks like ads, to be honest. Alright, not too interested in that. Right, we have like the cutest Vulpix I have ever seen. This is amazingly cute. If nothing else, I'm happy we got this one. I mean, I have it already, but... and a very smug looking coughing, and a reverse Bronzor. Alright, so nothing too fancy from that one, but didn't really expect. It was a nice little add-in, I guess. Just have the EVs around the EV. Alright, well, I guess that's it for now. I'll probably make another video when I have something else to open, but product is a bit sparse at the moment, so probably nothing until Battle Styles. Anyways, take care and Fizzman out.